And I'm Steve Irvin, live in Washington, D.C. In just a few hours from now, police chiefs from about a dozen major cities are expected to meet with Attorney General Eric Holder to talk about and to oppose Senate Bill 1070. In addition, President Obama today announcing 1,200 additional troops are headed to Arizona's border. Now, that announcement comes in addition to a request for some $500 million that will go toward border protection. He has not explained when those troops will go to the border. Politicians are reacting tonight, many of them saying this is a step in the right direction. But there needs to be comprehensive immigration reform. Many say that would include temporary work programs and an easier path to citizenship. Others say all of this is just a drop in the bucket for one of the country's most serious security issues.
I appreciate the additional 1,200 being sent of the Guard, as well as additional $500 million. But it's simply not enough. We need 6,000.
We live and breathe the federal government's failure to secure the border with Mexico. And every day my constituents are subjected to home invasions and to burglaries and to cut water lines and to graffiti.
I'm elated. This is great news, but it's about time because Arizona and Phoenix have been suffering way too long.
And today, Governor Brewer took credit for the president's action, saying, "My signing of Senate Bill 1070 has clearly ignited the talk of action in Washington for the people of Arizona and other border states." Now, reports out of Washington tonight indicate attorneys for the Justice Department do plan to challenge Senate Bill 1070 in federal court. They are seeking White House approval to challenge the constitutionality of that law. That could result in the law not taking effect if a federal injunction is issued, so stay tuned for that. Meantime, along the border tonight, some of the people most affected by the president's order, ranchers, they say illegal immigrants every day and fear for their safety, and they say they're optimistic about the president's new plan.
They caught them at the border, put them back across the border. It would cut the Border Patrol's work in half. And with the National Guard being here, there's no reason that can't happen.
As you can imagine, ranchers are shaken up after the murder of Robert Krentz. He was shot and killed on his Douglas property back in March. Investigators still have not made an arrest.